Undoing actions in Monday.com is straightforward and can help you quickly revert changes if you make a mistake. Here are methods to undo actions in Monday.com. Use the undo button. Monday.com provides a built-in undo button for most actions. After performing an action, look for the undo prompt at the bottom of the screen. It typically appears as a small pop-up with an undo link. Clicking this will revert your last action. Keyboard shortcut. You can use a standard keyboard shortcut for undoing actions. Press Ctrl+Z or Command+Z to undo the most recent change. This shortcut is handy for quickly reverting changes without navigating away from your work. Version history for columns. If you need to revert changes made to a specific cell or column, click on the cell and select the clock icon to view the cell's version history. This feature allows you to see all changes made to that cell and revert to a previous state. Recycle bin for deleted items. If you delete an item or board by mistake, go to the recycle bin. Click your profile picture in the bottom left, then choose Recycle Bin. Here, you can restore deleted items.